Hello, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to Learning Excel with Miss Nuria. In today's tutorial, we are going to explore further on the table list. Previously, we have seen how to format a table. Once we applied formatting, we have seen that these buttons started appearing. Today, we are going to see some function which we can do using this button, and that is sorting. So we need to sort our data. To sort data means to organize a data either in alphabetical or in some number order, alphabetically A to Z and or Z to A, and in a number wise, small to large or large to small. Organizing our data in such a way makes searching data faster. Okay, so imagine where you have a database of thousands of students details or employees salary database. So with thousands of data, it's harder to go through the data quickly if the data is not organized. So sorting helps us quickly search through the data. Okay, so we'll see that just right away. Now I'll go to sorting this data based on first name. So sort A to Z. Now before applying the sorting, you can see the order. Although the first two are Ali, Abdu, and then here you can see it's disorder. If once I apply A to Z, you can see this whole data is rearranged in a new way such that it appears alphabetically organized, okay, in that order from A to Z, okay? Or you can do Control Z to restore, and then you can say sort Z to A, so it appears like this. Or anytime you want to remove this one, you can just do Control Z, the shortcut, or you can clear sorting. So here, go to sort and clear. Okay, you can do that. Okay, let's see if I did apply that. Okay, well, it should have worked. So all I'm going to do is store this one A to Z back, or you can do Control Z. Okay, now I want to apply sorting also based on the total score. So okay, clear sorting, apply sorting based on the total scores. In that case, we want the student with the highest score to appear first on the list. So we will sort from largest to smallest. That's called descending order, okay? Now, as you can see, the student with the highest score, which is Fatima, is appearing first on the list. And this whole data is rearranged based on this score. That's it for today about sorting. Thank you for watching.